In this video, I'll be showing you different ways you can fix your AirPods Pro 3 noise cancellation. Usually when you're having issues with your AirPods Pro 3 noise cancellation, it can either be two issues. It can either be a hardware issue or a software issue. First, let's go over some hardware issues that could be causing your AirPods Pro 3 noise cancellation issues. So the first hardware issue you might be having is that you're not cleaning your AirPods. Now, a lot of people don't realize that they have to clean their AirPods in order to keep a good seal and also in order to keep a good sound quality. Now here's how to clean your AirPods. This is the cleaning brush I usually use for my AirPods Pro 3. I will leave a link down below in the description so you can grab one if you want. So pretty much when you're cleaning your AirPods, you want to make sure that you get inside the ear tips right there, and you want to use a brush like on the sensors. You want to use a brush there, you want to use a brush there, and also on like the microphones, because the microphones also helps with the noise cancellation. So just try to get it as clean as possible. You can always just pop these off also. I know these can be a pain to pop off, but I made a video on how to pop these off easily. I'll try to link it in the description also. But yeah, you just have to be careful because you don't want to tear them. And once you get that off, you can get in there and clean it more in detail. But just make sure that this speaker right here is very clean, because earwax can easily well build up inside your earpods over time if you don't take care of it or clean it. So yeah, I find this brush right here to be really handy. And once you have your AirPods Pro 3 clean, you should put them in your ears and you should hear a huge difference when it comes on to the noise cancellation. Now, when the average person get their AirPods, they literally just take it out of the box like this and remove the paperwork and literally just take your earpods out of this wrapping right here and just take it out there, and they just put it in their ears just like that and just start using it. They don't like go ahead and try those other ear tips that are included in the packaging. They just go with the default ear tips that's already on the earpods when they buy them. Now that could be the reason why your earpods noise cancellation is not working the best, because you don't have a good seal when it comes on to the earpods. Now I would recommend go through these ear tips right here. So you're gonna get a bunch of ear tips right here. So just go through each one of them and see which one fits your ears the best. So like for me, for example, last year I used to use the extra small ear tip and that one worked good, but that was until I tried the extra small ear tips that came out this year. I realized that I was missing out on some good sound quality because I didn't have the best possible seal for my type of ear. Now once you find the right ear tip that fits your ears the best, you can go ahead and confirm it by going to your settings and then go to your AirPods Pro 3 settings, and then from there scroll down a bit until you see test acoustic seal. So just click on that and then go ahead and test your acoustic seal, and we tell you if it's good or bad. This may take a couple seconds. So as you can see, I have good seal in my left earpods and also my right earpods. So I know right away that this ear tip that I'm using is actually a good ear tip. So after doing this, you should realize some improvement in your noise cancellation. Now those are typically the hardware issues that are causing noise cancellation issues on the AirPods Pro 3. Now sometimes you may have a faulty speaker or a faulty microphone, and then in this case you'll need to reach out to Apple, because more than likely they will give you a replacement to fix that faulty speaker or that faulty microphone. So feel free to reach out to Apple if this doesn't work for you. Now moving on, let's talk about some software issues that could be causing your noise cancellation issues on your AirPods Pro 3. A software issue that could be causing your AirPods Pro 3 to have noise cancellation issues is because your AirPods Pro 3 is out of date. Now to check what firmware your AirPods Pro 3 is on, go to your AirPods Pro 3 settings right here and then scroll down until you see version, and then right here is the current version firmware that your AirPods Pro 3 is on. Now to check if it's on the latest firmware, you're going to want to go to Apple website and see what the latest AirPods Pro 3 firmware is. Now usually to find that, I literally just Google AirPods Pro 3 firmware, and then usually it's the first link right here, and I'll just click on that and I'll see that the latest firmware right here for the AirPods Pro 3 is 8A358, and I'll just compare that with the one that I have right here, which is the same right there. So right away I know that I'm on the latest AirPods firmware for the AirPods Pro 3. Typically, your AirPods Pro 3 will update automatically, but sometimes it doesn't update automatically. To make sure that your AirPods Pro 3 will update automatically, you want to make sure that your AirPods Pro 3 is fully charged, and also you want to make sure that the iPhone that your AirPods Pro 3 is connected to is on the latest software update. And if you're still having issues updating your AirPods Pro 3 firmware, I did a dedicated video talking about how to officially update your AirPods firmware, so feel free to check that video out also. Now, the next software issue is that maybe you just don't have noise cancellation turned on. Now, here's how to turn on noise cancellation. Now, the quickest way to turn on noise cancellation is just swipe down here, press and hold on your AirPods right there, and then right here you just want to make sure noise cancellation is turned on. And usually I want to turn off conversation awareness if I want the best noise cancellation, so just make sure conversation awareness is also turned off. And then also in settings, you could also do this in settings. So if you go back to the main settings of the AirPods Pro 3, and right here you can just turn on noise cancellation. Just make sure noise cancellation is turned on there. And then sometimes you may have on hearing aid on, so that could kind of screw with your noise cancellation also. So just make sure you have that turned off if you want the best noise cancellation experience. Also, if you scroll along a bit and go to accessibility, you can go ahead and turn on noise cancellation with one earpod, and this basically just enable noise cancellation whenever you have one earpod in alone. You don't have to have two earpods in for noise cancellation to be activated. So that's just kind of a good feature right there. Now, if none of this worked for you, just go ahead and reset your AirPods Pro 3. Now, to reset your AirPods Pro 3, all you need to do is go ahead and open up your AirPods Pro 3 like that, and then you want to double tap 3 times on the front of your case. So 1 2 1 2 1 2, and then right away you basically just reset your AirPods. And then once you reset your AirPods, you can just go ahead and connect your AirPods again to your iPhone, and then from there you can go ahead and try the noise cancellation. But yeah, that's pretty much all the solution that I have. Like, if none of this worked for you, just go to the Apple Store and they'll figure it out from there. Or maybe, just maybe, your expectation for the noise cancellation is way too high. If any of these solutions work for you, let me know down below in the comment section. And also, if you have a solution that I didn't mention in this video, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section also. Also, if you're wondering which wallpaper I have on my phone right here and also on my desktop right there, a link will be in the description, so feel free to check it out. Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos on the AirPods Pro 3. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.